Students, we are just going to start lesson 6.3, which are of a chapter triangle. So to start lesson 6.3, we need to learn some properties, some theorem. Like first is AAA. It means in two triangles, if the corresponding angles are equal, let triangle is ABC and PQR, and angle B is equal to angle Q, angle A is equal to angle P, and angle C is equal to angle R, then the two triangles are similar. This is called AA similarity. Also, second is AA similarity. If in two triangles, two of its corresponding angles are equal, then triangles are also similar. Say in this two triangle ABC, triangle PQR, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R, then we can say that angle A is equal to angle P because these two are third angle, and hence if in two triangle two corresponding angles are equal, triangle are also similar. So second is AA asimilarity. Third is SSS. It means in two triangles the corresponding sides are proportional. If in two triangles their corresponding sides are proportional, it means AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. BC upon QR, and it is also equal to AC upon PR. Then the two triangles are similar, and the rules of similarity is SS similarity. Fourth is SAS. SAS, side angle side similarity. If in two triangles the two sides are proportional, let in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, and included angle, which is B, included angles are equal. It means and angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore, the two triangles are also similar. This is called SAS similarity. This is question number 1, first part of question number 1, and in two triangles, angles are mentioned. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Therefore, the two triangles ABC is similar to triangle PQR. And the rules of similarity for this figure is AAA similarity. Second part of question number 1, the two triangles are given and their sides are mentioned. तो हमें पता करना है, we have to find out corresponding sides are proportional or not. So AB upon QR, AB upon QR is equal to 2 upon 4, which is equal to 1 upon 2. In next turn, BC upon PR, BC upon PR is equal to 2.5 upon 5. सिंप्लीफाई करें इस डेसिमल के बदले हम नीचे 0 रखेंगे और डेसिमल को रिमूव करेंगे। 25 2 जा 50, 25 1 जा 25 2 जा, so this is also equal to 1/2, and the ratio of third pair is AC upon PQ is equal to 3 upon 6. AC is 3, PQ is 6, and इस simple करने पर it is also 1/2. तो all of three ratios AB upon QR is equal to BC upon PR, BC upon PR is equal to AC upon PQ, AC upon PQ equal है, therefore the triangles are similar. Triangles ABC is similar to triangle QRP. Triangle QRP. Third part of question number 1. Triangle LMP and triangle DEF. So we have to check similar or not. They are similar or not. So MP upon DE, it is equal to 2 upon 4. Simplify कर दें, it is 1 upon 2. And second part is LP upon DF, LP upon DF, which is equal to 3 upon, LP is 3, DF is 6, 3 upon 6. Simplify करें, it is 1 upon 2. Next pair is LM upon EF, LM upon EF. LM is 2.7 and EF is 5. 2.7 upon 5. Then the two pairs of sides are proportional, but third pairs of corresponding sides are not proportional. Therefore, triangles are not similar. These triangles MPL is not similar to triangle DEDF. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल किसी भी पेज में सिमिलर नहीं है. फोर्थ पार्ट, MN upon PQ, MN upon PQ is equal to 2.5 upon 5. पॉइंट हटाने के लिए 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करें या इसको कैंसिल करके 0 रखें. डिनोमिनेटर में 25 1 जा 25 2 जा, इट इज 1 upon 2, and ML upon QR, ML upon QR is equal to 5 upon 10. इनको सिंप्लीफाई करें, 1 upon 2, and the included angles are M and Q, which are equal. Therefore, triangle NML is similar to triangle PQR, similar to triangle PQR, and the similarity criterion is side angle side. Two of corresponding sides are proportional and included angles are equal. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. Fifth part, AB upon DF, AB upon DF is equal to 2.5 upon 5. 2.5 upon 5. It is also 1/2. 1/2. Next, BC upon EF. BC upon EF is equal to 3 upon 6, which is 1 by 2. The two sides are proportional, but included angle, which is B, is not equal to F. B is not equal to F because B is not known, therefore triangles are not similar. In this case, the two triangles are not similar. Sixth part of the figure, triangle DEF and PQR, angles are 70, 80, 80, 30, third angles are not known. Then angle sum property से इसके थर्ड एंगल फाइंड आउट करेंगे. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रायंगल, थर्ड एंगल पता करने के लिए 180 माइनस दिस 70 प्लस 80. 70 plus 80 is 150. 180 minus 150 is 30 degree. So third angle of this triangle is 30 degree. Similarly, third angle of triangle PQR is 180 minus 80 plus 30, which is 110. 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. It means this angle is 70 degree. Now compare the angles of two triangles. Angle P is equal to angle D, or angle D is equal to angle P is equal to 70 degree. Angle E is equal to angle Q, which is 80 degree, and angle F is equal to angle R, which is 30 degree. All corresponding angles are equal, therefore the triangles are similar. Therefore triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. Question number 2. In given figure, angles are mentioned. तो सिमिलरिटी पता करने के लिए बाकी के एंगल दोनों ट्रायंगल का हम पता करते हैं. तो दिस इज 125, लेट इट बी x. तो 125 प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. x प्लस 125 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. रीजन है लीनियर पेयर, स्ट्रेट लाइन पे एंगल है, देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 125, 55 degree. X is equal to 55 degree. This is also 55 degree. It is vertically opposite angle, 55 degree. Given है triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. ODC is similar to OBA. Then this angle is equal to this angle by CPCT. Therefore angle OBA is equal to 70 degree. 70 degree. And angle DCO के लिए हमें एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रायंगल लगाना चाहिए. लेट दिस एंगल इज y. देन इन कंसीडर ट्रायंगल DOC. then this angle y plus 70 plus 55 is equal to 180 degree. 55 plus 70 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore y is equal to 180 माइनस, ये दोनों निगेटिव हो जाएगा, इट इज नेगेटिव 125. सबट्रेट करके 55 डिग्री. y is equal to 55 degree. So this angle is 55 degree. This angle is 55 degree. So angle OCD or DCO is 55 degree. And next is angle OBA. It is also 70 degree, alternate interior angle. And angle, we have to find out angle OAB, which is 55 degree by CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle. So angle OAB is also equal to 55 degree. This is the answer for all of the questions.
Diagonal AC and BD of trapezium ABCD intersect each other at O. ABCD is trapezium in which diagonals are AC and BD intersect each other at O, where AB is parallel. We have to prove that in this trapezium, OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. OA upon OC is equal to OD upon OB upon OD. प्रूव करने के लिए हमें कंस्ट्रक्ट करना पड़ेगा लेट OL इज और पैरेलल टू AB एंड BC. तो कंस्ट्रक्शन में लिखेंगे ड्रॉ OL पैरेलल टू AB and AB is parallel to C. OL AB के पैरेलल है. प्रूफ करने के लिए हम कंसीडर करेंगे ट्रायंगल CAB. कंसीडर ट्रायंगल CAB. Then OL is parallel to AB by BPT. OC upon OA. Since OL is parallel to AB, therefore CU upon OA is equal to CL upon LB. This is equation 1. In next part, we consider triangle BCD. Consider triangle BCD. In BCD, OL is parallel to DC. OL is parallel to DC. Therefore, OB upon OD is equal to BL upon LC. BL upon LC. This is by property of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Similarly, there is also property of BPT. BL upon LC and BL upon LC are reciprocal. So हम इसको reciprocal कर लें तो यहाँ पर OA upon CO is equal to LB upon CL. This is equation number 1. And in equation number 2, LB upon LC is equal to OB upon OD. RHS of both the equation are same. BL upon LC and this is also BL upon LC. Therefore, LHS will be same. इसका LHS इक्वल होगा. Therefore, OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. OB upon OD. This is from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, hence proof. ये प्रूव हुआ।
Question number 4. A triangle is given which is TQR and PS is parallel to TR. Now this PR are joined. Given है angle 2 is equal to angle 1. Since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, therefore side opposite to equal angles are equal. तो 1 and 2 इक्वल है, 1 के अपोजिट में साइड है PQ एंड 2 के अपोजिट में साइड है PR. देयरफॉर एंगल साइड PQ इज इक्वल टू PR. साइड्स रीजन है साइड्स अपोजिट टू इक्वल एंगल. साइड्स अपोजिट टू इक्वल एंगल्स आर इक्वल. अब ये भी रेशियो प्रपोर्शन गिवन है, तो हम PR के प्लेस पे PQ फीड कर दें तो ये प्रपोर्शन चेंज हो जाएगा. देयरफॉर QR अपॉन QS, QR अपॉन QS इज इक्वल टू QT अपॉन PR. QT अपॉन PR, बट PR के प्लेस पे हमने फाइंड आउट किया है ये PQ है. PR एंड PQ इक्वल है, सो हम यहाँ पर फीड करेंगे PQ. अब इस फिगर में एंगल 2 दोनों ही ट्रायंगल में इक्वल है. QR अपॉन QS, QR अपॉन QS इज इक्वल टू QT अपॉन PQ. एंड एंगल Q इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q दोनों में कॉमन है. एंगल Q इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q कॉमन है. देयरफॉर द टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. Therefore, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. The final answer, therefore, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR by SAS similarity. SAS. Hence, proved. Question number 5. There is a triangle, given triangle PQR. Here is a triangle PQR. And S and T are point on PR and QR. S and T are point on PR and QR. Also it is given that दिया हुआ है कि एंगल QPR इज इक्वल टू एंगल RTS. दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. तो हमें प्रूव करना है गिवन एंगल QPR इज इक्वल टू एंगल RTS. तो हमें प्रूव करना है टू प्रूव ट्रायंगल QPR is similar to triangle RTS. इसके लिए हम एलिमेंट्स कलेक्ट करते हैं. 3 एलिमेंट चाहिए. लाइक एंगल बड़े वाले ट्रायंगल में एंगल P और छोटा ट्रायंगल आरटीएस में एंगल आरटीएस दोनों इक्वल है। एंगल क्यू पी आर इज इक्वल टू एंगल आर टी एस, फर्स्ट पॉइंट। एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट, दोनों ही ट्रायंगल में एंगल आर कॉमन है। दोनों ट्रायंगल में एंगल आर कॉमन होने से लिखेंगे एंगल आर इज इक्वल टू एंगल आर। दिस पॉइंट आर गिवन और दिस इज इक्वल बिकॉज बोथ आर कॉमन। ये कॉमन है इसलिए इक्वल है। तो बाय ए सिमिलरिटी दो ट्रायंगल में QPR एंड RTS में एक एंगल इक्वल है और एक एंगल कॉमन है। तो बाय ए सिमिलरिटी ट्रायंगल QPR is similar to triangle RTS, triangle RTS, and hence it is proved. Question number 6. In given triangle ABC, here is a figure given in which a triangle ABC, D and E are the point on side AB and AC. Now this triangle ABE this is triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. ये given है। Given triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. दो ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, इनके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट इक्वल होंगे। इट मीन्स AB इज इक्वल टू AC, therefore AB is equal to AC and AE is equal to AD. AE is equal to AD. ये दोनों साइड्स इक्वल इसलिए है बाय CPCT। रीजन है कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल। Therefore AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. Two sides are proportional and included angle A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A, which is common. And therefore ये दो साइड प्रोपोर्शनल है और एक एंगल कॉमन है, इंक्लूडेड एंगल। देयरफॉर दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर। ट्रायंगल ADE is similar to triangle ABC by SAS similarity criterion. Question number 7. Given a figure CAB, there is a triangle CAB and two altitudes AD and CE intersect each other at point P. Now हमें प्रूव करना है फर्स्ट पार्ट। टू प्रूव फर्स्ट पार्ट, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. AEP, this is the triangle AEP and this is the triangle CDP. प्रूव करने के लिए लिखेंगे कंसीडर triangle AEP and CDP. Consider triangle AEP and triangle CDP। दोनों ही ट्रायंगल में एक एक राइट एंगल है बिकॉज CD and AD are the altitudes। तो एंगल PEA in these two triangles, this angle and this angle are equal, it is vertically opposite angle। तो इन दोनों ट्रायंगल में फिर से लिखेंगे एंगल APE is equal to एंगल CPD। एंगल CPD रीजन है वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल। ट्रायंगल APE is similar to triangle CPD, hence proved, and reason is AA similarity। सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, हमें प्रूव करना है ट्रायंगल ABD is similar to triangle CBE। This is the triangle CBE। ABD is similar to triangle CBE। तो एक एक एंगल दोनों ही ट्रायंगल में 90 डिग्री है। कंसीडर ABD एंड ट्रायंगल CBE। दोनों ही ट्रायंगल में एंगल ABD ADB is equal to CEB। एंगल CEB 90 डिग्री है बिकॉज ये गिवन है AD एंड CE आर ऑल्टीट्यूड्स। तो हम लिखेंगे इट इज गिवन। इन नेक्स्ट दोनों ट्रायंगल में एंगल B कॉमन है। एंगल B दोनों ही ट्रायंगल में कॉमन है तो लिख सकते हैं एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल B। दिस इज कॉमन, देयरफॉर बोथ द ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर बाय AA सिमिलरिटी। देयरफॉर ट्रायंगल ABD is similar to triangle CBE by AA similarity। AA similarity hence proved second part। थर्ड पार्ट हमें प्रूव करना है ट्रायंगल AEP is similar to triangle ADB। triangle AEP is similar to, this is triangle AEP and this is ADB। in both the triangles given है एंगल A दोनों ही ट्रायंगल में कॉमन है। In both the triangle, angle A is common। Angle A is equal to angle A। This is common। ये दोनों ट्रायंगल में है AEP and ADB। दोनों ही ट्रायंगल में है, A कॉमन है and second angle is AEP। angle AEP is equal to angle ADB। ADB which is also 90 degree। It is equal to 90 degree and given। Therefore ये both triangle are similar by AA similarity। triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB and by AA similarity. AA similarity. Hence proved. Now in fourth part, we have to prove triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. So in triangle PDC, this D is right angle, and in triangle BEC, E is right angle. दो एंगल इक्वल है, as well as this angle are included in both triangle. PDC में ये एंगल है C, और BEC में भी सेम एंगल इंक्लूडेड है. तो हम दोनों कॉमन एंगल को लिखेंगे एंगल PDC is equal to angle BEC is equal to 90 डिग्री. ये गिवन है. इन ट्राइंगल PDC C angle C, which is written as PCD, is equal to angle BCE. Both angle are common. BCE common है. Therefore both triangle are similar by AA similarity. Therefore triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC by AA similarity. AA similarity. Hence proved. Question number 8. E is a point on side AD produced of parallelogram ABCD. तो सबसे पहले हमें एक पैरेललोग्राम कंस्ट्रक्ट करना चाहिए ABCD, and there is a point E on the produced AD. तो AD को प्रोड्यूस करें, आगे एक्सटेंड करें, and E is point on side AD produced. Now BE intersect CD at F. BE line joining the BE intersect CD at F. Then we have to prove that triangle AB similar to CFB. We have to prove that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. These are the two triangles ABE and CFB. So this angle A, consider triangle ABE and triangle CFB. In both triangle, angle A and angle C are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C because this is opposite angle of opposite vertices of parallelogram are equal. So angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angle of parallelogram. Opposite angle of parallelogram. Now this angle this angle is equal to this angle, because AD BC are parallel side, therefore AD produced to E, hence AE is parallel to BC. Both are parallel and this BE is transversal. This EB is transversal, so alternate interior angles are equal. So angle AEB is equal to angle CBE. ये है alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, two angles in both the triangles are equal. Hence, triangle ABE and CAB are similar by AA similarity. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity. Hence, proved. Question number 9. A given figure is given, figure number 6.39. There are two triangles AMP and ABC. The two triangles are right angle, ABC, and triangle AMP. Here are two triangles ABC and AMP, right angle at B and M. तो हमें प्रूव करना है, टू प्रूव फर्स्ट पार्ट triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. ABC is similar to triangle AMP. कंसीडर बोथ द ट्राइंगल. अगर हम दोनों ट्राइंगल को ध्यान से देखें तो ये जो एंगल ए है दोनों ही ट्राइंगल में है, ABC और AMP दोनों ही ट्राइंगल में एंगल ए है. सो हम लिखेंगे एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल ए विच इज कॉमन. एंड angle ABC which is 90 degree, angle ABC is equal to angle AMP. ABC 90 degree है as well as AMP 90 degree है. ABC is equal to angle AMP which is 90 degree. तो दो एंगल दोनों ही ट्राइंगल में, in both triangle two pairs of angle are equal, then the two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP by AA similarity. Hence, proved first part. Hence, proved first part. And now we have to prove that AB upon AC, CA upon PA is equal to, now second part we have to prove CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP, BC upon MP। तो एज हमने प्रूव किया है ट्रायंगल ABC इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल AMP। तो ये AC एंड AP और CA एंड AP जो साइड्स हैं दोनों ट्रायंगल में वो कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट है, एंड BC as well as MP are the corresponding part of the two triangle. Therefore, these two sides are proportional. Pair of sides are proportional. Therefore, CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Hence, proved second part. This is due to corresponding part of similar triangle. Corresponding part of similar triangle. In two similar triangle corresponding sides are proportional. और रीजन लिखेंगे in similar triangle corresponding sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. Therefore, this part is also proved.